Hey y'all, it's Kristen and I have a Renee kit to share. I put it in here because I keep her kits separate. I don't disperse it out into my craft room and different places. I keep hers together mainly because I like to say when I use her stuff, even though sometimes I do forget Renee. I'm sorry about that. Anyway, I bought her last spring/Easter kit. I was lucky in order to get it. I was lucky enough to get it. I thought that I had missed out, but I didn't. Anyway, let me get this out of here. Hi, Renee. Okay, so she sent me some extra things, which I will put to the side and show in just a minute. This kit is just adorable. And she does, it's like I've said before, she does such a good job. And you get so much stuff in these kits. I mean, if you're running low on something, just go get one of her kits. I think she's going to have some more before too much longer. She's finishing up school. So she said that I asked her if she wanted me to wait and show this kit when she actually had some available. And she said that it didn't matter, that it was up to me. So I'll just mention her again because I'll be using some of this stuff in my, actually I'm going to move this over, in my spring journal I'm doing. So look at these. These are so cute. Wait a minute. They're stuck. So like I said, some of it's Easter. And honestly, this makes me want to do an Easter journal. Little stickers. Here, I'll put them out like this. Can you see that? Let me make sure. I think so. So there's Easter. There's some rabbits and chicks. A flower. We have some floss. Embroidery floss. And a whole bunch of, let me move this over, little pieces of trim. Oh, that's okay. I think this is like, not seam binding, or maybe it is. I'm not sure. So, like I said, just little pieces of ribbon. There's some lace right there. I think that's seam binding, the old kind. Oh, look, there's some daisies. That's cute. A little bitty piece of vintage embroidery. Some rickrack. Actually, there's a few pieces of rickrack in here. Another piece of that. I'm not sure what it is, but it opens up like this. And then some yellow lace and green. We have some eyelet with yellow down at the bottom. Hope my lighting is okay. It doesn't look like it in the phone. Some more rickrack, and then a piece of what I call modern day seam binding, I guess. Okay, we're going to move that over. And then a little bitty bag. This is cute, how she had it done. One of the staples kind of came loose. But she's got it. It's a bag of little vintage flowers and buttons and paper clips and sequins. It's just cute. Okay, moving on. We got some fabric. I'm just going to tear it open. So we got this with the bunny on it. Actually, there's 4. Look at that. That's cute. I'm telling you, it makes me want to do this is a piece of tulle in a, what color is this? Orange, kind of, a light orange. Makes me want to do an Easter journal. Just little bitty snippets of fabric that's got butterflies on it. That piece. Blue. Polka dot. That's cream dots on pink. Oh, I have some of this. I've made pockets with this before. It's cool. Very retro. This piece. I think I got some of this in that other kit. I love that. Some gingham. Pink. We have this. That's pretty. And this with the poppies on it. And this with the strawberries. This is so cute. I think I saw baby clothes made with that. Long time ago. There's a piece. This is a piece of, it feels like tulle. Not sure, but it's pretty. Oh, look at this. Let me move this over. I love that. You could cut that right there. And even though, I mean, it has some staining on it, that's fine. You could, like, layer up some stuff up here and then have the rest of it hanging down for a fabric flip. That would be great. And look at the edging. I love that. Very, very pretty. And we have this piece and another handkerchief maybe, or napkin. I'm not sure. It's a piece of one, but I love it. And it would go good with the blue stuff that I just showed in the other video. Okay. Then we have some paper ephemera. Here's the little stuff. So we have some game money. I don't know what that one's to. Late for the sky. I don't know about that one. The other one's Monopoly. Here's another one. Then we have some, that. I don't know why I can't think. More money in pinks, blues, purples. There's another one of those late for the sky ones. I don't know. Pinocchio. A flashcard, a couple of flashcards. There's another one. Look at that one. That one's cute. Brighter Child. We have this. I think that's a vintage, it says preference card. No. Another flashcard. It's a postcard thing. My next scheduled visit will be on or about John Sexton and Company. Another one of those cards. We have a library card catalog card. I'm not sure. This is some of her avocado dyed index cards. That's what that is. I couldn't think of it a minute ago. Bingo card. Another flash card. And, ooh, I like this. Look at that. That's not a true red like the usual ones. It's kind of a maroon color. Was that even in frame? Good grief. Okay. Siamese cat. That one. It's that same game. I don't know what that is either. Some tickets. Some glassine bags. Oh, this one's pretty. Vintage playing card. I love those. That's a playing card too. Isn't that adorable? That one. A couple of these cards that, I don't know, it says Vegas on it. Some more money from the Monopoly Deluxe Edition. Another Vegas card. Some more money. Triple Challenge. Money. Another vintage card. Oh, that one's pretty too. Wait, there's two. Look at there. Guest checks. If I'm going a little fast, I'm sorry, but there's an envelope, important message thing. Just all kinds of little things you can use in your journals. I'm telling you, you could really build up your stash with her kits. And then a book page. And I think I have this book. I think I said that last time too, when I saw that. I'm almost positive I do. All right. The book that came with this, you can either get the books with the pages in it or gut it. I have a gazillion Reader's Digest, but I did like the front of this. It would make a really cool fall journal. The one that I really wanted was already sold. I mean, she had a bunch of these with just different images. I mean, patterns on them or whatever. They were gorgeous. But I do like this one too, Renee. So there's that. And there's a few of the pages in it, but it's just a a gutted book. And this, I mean, it had to be taken off because if I remember correctly, these books were kind of falling apart at the spine. Okay, then we have a bunch of more paper and stuff. So look at that. That's a muffin or cupcake holder paper thing with a bunny rabbit on it. This is a little sewn notepad that she did. I guess she did. Renee, did you sew this? If you did, you did a good job. Then some hole reinforcers in different colors. An old bingo card. Index card. This is a napkin. And so is this. That's pretty. This is, I want to say it's wallpaper, but it's not. I mean, I don't think so. It's too thin. I guess it's wrapping paper. Renee, I'm not real sure about that one, but it's pretty. Then we have this piece of paper that's, I mean, it's old because it's got the yellowing. So I'm not sure what that goes to, but it's pretty. A banknote. Oh, and I was looking at this. Minden, Louisiana. That's not very far from me. And then this one, wait, where's the one? There's another Minden one right there. There's another one that says Mangum, I believe. And that's not, I mean, it's further away from me, but it's closer to where my family lives. Mangum, Louisiana right there. So I thought that was pretty cool. This is an envelope. Can you see the pattern on it? It's really pretty. Then we just have some notepad paper. That says House of Orchids. A window envelope. Another envelope in cream. A piece of wallpaper. I know that's wallpaper because I've gotten some of that before from her. These are doilies. So there's an egg one, a regular one, which I haven't ever seen one like that. That's pretty. And then a purple one. And this is really pretty. I would like to have a whole set of this. This is stationary. So it's a circle though. I thought it was really pretty. And then there's the envelope that goes with it. Very nice. Here's my little note from her. Hope to keep your business. Seriously, Renee? Come on now. You know better. This is so cute. It's got little deer on it. It's a bag. Huh. Piece of ledger paper and then just regular notebook paper. Another napkin. Excuse me. Some more notebook paper in different colors, which is great. Look at all that. Bunch of different colors. This is, looks like a folder. Now I might need to put that in my binder I'm working on. Make it a flip. A book page. This is some ledger. I love this stuff. I don't know what the date, oh wait, 84. I love the old ledger that's got writing on it. Selena is sending me a ledger book, an old ledger book, because she loves me. I cannot wait. It's from a florist, I think. I'm not positive. And then some music page. I'm always running out of this stuff. That's good. Then another kind of ledger, accounts payable thing. Look at that. Isn't that just cute? So cute. All right. These are Ideal page from Ideal magazines. Gorgeous. And this is from an old book. It's like the beginning page or whatever. But look at those images. So pretty. Then another old book page. She really puts a lot of thought into these kits, y'all. Another book page. That's cute. I think I have this book, but I'm not positive. How cute. I'm serious. I'm really thinking about doing a Easter one just because, with lots of bunnies. Wrapping paper with poppies on it. And then this, I swear, Renee, there are pages of this. Okay, this is the composition notebook paper, and this is what we call the Sue Olson paper because we get it to smear, and we think it's really cool. Thing about it is, you have to luck out and find the composition notebooks that will actually smear when you do it. I don't know. Renee, if you know the exact one, then you need to tell me. because I lucked out and found one. And I don't even know where I got it because all of my composition notebooks were just shoved on a shelf together. And no clue. Oh, and I think the cover's off of it, so I can't tell what kind it is either. But see, this one didn't smear. You see what I'm talking about? It's still cool. I mean, it smeared a little bit right there, but not as much as these others. And this is her avocado, good grief, avocado dyed paper. And it's gorgeous. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell, but it is a wonderful pink color. I mean, beautiful. You did a good job, Renee. Look at that. And that's pretty. I'll have to use a piece of that in my journal, too. Then we have this, which I don't know where this came from. Maybe a calendar or something. Gertrude Jekyll. She's married to the doctor. Alright, and these are map pages. Okay, Renee, this kit is wonderful. You did a good job. Okay, like I said, I'm going to leave a link to, or I don't know if I said or not, but I'm going to leave a link to Renee's channel and her shop down in the description box. Renee, thank you so very much, and thank you so much for watching.